This week I'm going to show you very easy and quick German crispy potato recipe.
This recipe is very special to me because we are preparing those pan-fried potatoes like Henriette Davidis did in 1845.
My name is Marta and I am a food guide here in Frankfurt. In this channel we help people who like to cook, eat and travel to find traditional recipes and places to eat traditional food. We post one video every week, so please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more content about traditional food. A few weeks ago we have prepared a video about how to make schnitzel gravies, and you seem to like this one a lot. Therefore today we will be cooking a side dish that goes perfect with schnitzel, and the side dish is gonna be crispy potatoes. On YouTube there's also another video how to prepare those crispy potatoes from another channel which is called All Tastes German, which I definitely recommend you to watch if you would like to prepare the potatoes from the raw potatoes. Because in this recipe we actually gonna make Bratkartoffeln, so the crispy German potatoes from jacket potatoes, so leftovers. So without further ado, let's just start cooking. So to make those crispy potatoes, you're gonna obviously need potatoes. Those are jacket potatoes. They're not the prettiest thing in the planet, but they taste really good. Next thing, you're gonna need some onion and butter and some herbs for garnish. We also gonna use some salt. So at this point, you want to preheat your pan, add the oil, and wait until it's hot. We're gonna add some onions, salt, and we wanna fry them. In the meantime, we're gonna cut our potatoes. We're gonna make some slices, thicker ones. You don't want the potatoes to break easily. I actually cooked those potatoes yesterday. They say that the Bratkartoffel, so the crispy potatoes, are better from the potatoes that were cooked day ahead. Don't worry if they break, it's not the end of the world, obviously. The onions smell amazing, seriously. That's how they look like, and that's how they go on the pan. Okay, so what you want to actually make a one layer. So all the potatoes gonna get the same kind of crisp from outside. Oh no, I actually forgot that one. They're pretty even, and at this point I'm gonna turn the heat up to medium. I'm gonna finish this poor guy. And now we're just gonna wait. Don't worry if the potatoes stick to the pan, that's actually okay. After some time they're gonna lose themselves from it. At this point we can also put some salt. I think they are ready to turn.
Add some salt. And don't forget the most important ingredient, butter. You can garnish your crispy potatoes with chives or parsley. Henriette Davidis didn't do that, but well, they didn't have a Pinterest in 1845, right?
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it. I would appreciate if you let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite way to eat potatoes. I would be really curious what you're gonna say. Other than this, I wish you all a happy week, stay out of troubles, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!